Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about one of the most important management principles, that is discipline. So let's see what it really means and why it matters in every workplace. So let's proceed. So if we talk in general about discipline what आते ही हमें क्या समझ आता है that we have to follow the rules. क्योंकि कोई set of rules बनाए गए हैं जिसे अगर हम follow करते हैं then it means we are in discipline. So according to Fayol also, discipline simply means following the rules, showing respect and maintaining a good behavior at work. It's not being about strict, it's just about creating a positive and organized environment जहाँ वर्कर्स एक सेट ऑफ रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करें, उससे डेविएट ना हो एंड उससे क्या होगा, देयर इज़ नो कन्फ्यूजन दैट व्हाट दे हैव टू डू और व्हाट दे हैव नॉट टू डू. So it just create a positive environment. So for a positive environment, it is necessary that employees should be respectful and obedient and they follow the organizational rules. When everyone cooperates, things run smoothly. But all this said, the first thing which is important is that there need to be clear set of rules. There should be a proper set of guidelines and everyone should know and follow them. Now rules are there, it is made clear to employees are following them. Still, discipline goes both the ways. There must be mutual respect between the managers and employees, not just one-sided obedience. Respect builds the trust. So, employees must have faith in their managers that whatever the rules they are creating, it's beneficial for our working environment as a whole, and managers should be considerate about the needs of employees and then create the rules accordingly. So it is both ways. So it is necessary that managers clear the expectations what they have with their employees. They need to clearly explain what's expected from employees, because when expectations are clear, performances improves. So the role of management is also very important, that they have to make a clear set of rules and what is expected from employees, it has to be passed to them. So finally, we can say that discipline helps in creating a great teamwork environment. When everyone respects each other and follows the same rules, it's easier to work together and succeed as a team. So in short, we can say that discipline isn't about punishment. It's about respect, clarity, and teamwork. That's why Henry Fayol called it one of the key principles of management. So guys, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more management concepts explained very simply. See you in next video.